Mumanu Polyester Industries Limited has come forward with an innovative idea and environment-friendly vision. First ever in Bangladesh, we are using PET bottle flakes, which are plastic wastages, and producing export-quality polyester staple fiber (PSF) by ensuring international standard. Every single plastic bottle takes at least up to 1000 years to decompose. Every minute, millions of plastic bottles and materials are bought around the world. Despite the others in Bangladesh, there are very few bottles being recycled and the rest of it harmfully affecting our ecology and environment. Imagine a process that gives a second life to a material that's not biodegradable and would otherwise end up in landfill or the ocean. With the capability of producing 120 tons per day. For spinning type solid fiber, 1.2 denier and 1.4 denier of 38 mm length size, these fibers are available in white, black, red, yellow and blue colors. For padding, filling and quilting type solid fiber, we produce solid fiber both siliconized and non-siliconized fiber of 0.8 denier, 0.9 denier, 1.0 denier, 1.2 denier, 1.4 denier, 2.0 denier and 3.0 denier in white and super white color. Fiber length sizes can be customized as per buyer requirements. For padding, filling and quilting type hollow conjugated fiber, we produce hollow conjugated siliconized and non-siliconized white fiber of 3.0 denier, 7.0 denier, 15.0 denier and 25.0 denier. Length sizes can be customized as per buyer requirements, which are used for jacket, blanket, pillow, carpet and mannequin materials. We also produce geotex materials of 6.0 denier, length 72 mm, 90 mm and 100 mm in white and black colors, which are used for embankments protection from erosion in river, land and coastal area. Polyester staple fiber are being exported to China, Vietnam and India. And we are also contributing to fulfill the demand of our local market. In the near future, our products are being targeted to export in markets of Europe, America and Japan. Meanwhile, it is ensuring to be the most energy efficient, worker-friendly industry in Bangladesh. We are contributing to the process of meeting Sustainable Development Goals for SDG number 7, 8, 9, 11, 12 and 13. This initiative taken by Mr. Abul Kalam Muhammad Musa, the Managing Director of Mumanu Polyester Industries Limited, has already been featured and appreciated by different media and organizations. A huge amount of unused waste plastic bottles are collected by lower income and underprivileged people and supplied to the traders. Then the plastic bottles are purchased by Mumanu Polyester Industries Limited from the traders. We are also collecting plastic bottles from different hotels and other sources. These bottles are then cut by using the cutter machine. And washed in hot water for cleaning the dust and kept for drying. Then the vacuum drums boil the chips and make them moisture-free. These PET bottle flakes run into screwder for melting. Melted flakes are then taken into winding section to get noodles like sliver. Slivers are collected into cans by the traders. And finally, run into the drying section for primary polyester staple fiber. PSF runs into dryer and then taken to cutting machine to meet the desired lengths of buyer's requirements. These PSF are taken to the bale press machine for PP bag compress packaging, around 280 to 320 kg per bale. We can deliver up to 200 tons within 7 days, and the loading quantity is around 10 tons per 20 feet container and around 22 tons per 40 feet HQ container. The solid wastages from our manufacturing process are recycled into rope and belt. Mumanu Polyester Industries Limited has also established effluent treatment plants (ETP), which works in electrocoagulation method, so both of the wastages become eco-friendly. Aiming to establish the most futuristic industries, Mumanu is committed to the creative development of fiber technology products in close collaboration with its customers. We are using zero-discharge wastewater treatment plant to protect our environment to attain affordable and clean energy goal. We are using solar panels, inverters and LED lights in all of our infrastructures. We are prioritizing and working on sustainable fabric options, developing a non-virgin supply chain for polyester fiber that has the potential to impact massively on Bangladeshi and global energy and resource requirements. Mumanu, dreaming prosperity, protecting the earth.